evening, everyone, and welcome to our post-game press conference. NX Warriors defeated the San Miguel team 85-84 in a thriller tonight at Inares Central Antipolo. And we're here with Coach Jose Puchico. Coach, mabot na ng double figures. Fourth quarter, medyo pinakapa pa kayo sa got the win din.
Yeah, we tried to stay in the game. Alam naman namin na hindi naman madali yung San Miguel. So we just tried to stay in the game as much as we can. Yung striking distance, wag lang lumaki masyado yung lamang. So 10 points, 11, so still in striking distance, and hopefully through the game maka-streak kami, which we did. And then yun lang, na-timing lang na tamang-tama lang yung streak namin at yung run namin at the end na konti na lang yung oras. So, but of course, siyempre, you know, yung mga player namin, maski yung player ng NLEX, basta maski na nang mangyari, lalaban lang sila. So yun ang importante sa team namin. Congrats, man.
Thank you. Also here is GB Bahio, 12 points, 12 rebounds. GB, ikaw, si Itolet, si Brandon, you guys hold the fort dun sa hapon nyo. Ano na natrabaho to para makuha ng big win ng San Miguel here?
Binigay lang namin yung best namin. Hustle sa defense, sa rebounding namin, gang rebound, defense. Yun na naman talaga puhunan namin sipag lang kasi nga medyo undersized kami. So yun po, dinadaan namin sa sipag lang.
Di naman dalawang dito, may pangatlo tayo kasama si Jonel Policarpio with 16 points, 3 pass to assists and 2 steals. Isa rin sa mga reason that makapull up ng index ngayong gabi. Jonel, yung types of mabul kayo, ikaw yung minsan nag-inspire, fast breaks, nakakascore ng layup. Talk mo lang yung performance mo ngayong gabi.
For me, dinededicate ko yung laro para kay Kuya Berto. Alam mo natin yung nangyari. Kuya Berto, be strong. Yun, mabalang sa kila-coach dahil nagtiwala sila sa akin. And yun, ginawa ko naman yung trabaho and best ko.
First term.
Coach, can you just talk about yung absence ni Robert? What does this mean for the team na nanalo kayo siguro for him and his father?
So alam naman namin na, you know, malaking epekto ng laro ni Berto sa amin. So it was a collective effort ng lahat in the absence of Berto. And yun nga, sabi niya ni Polly, of course we are trying to dedicate this game to Berto, whose father just passed away na. So he was supposed to play today before leaving, pero we understand naman na, you know, he wants to be with his father for the last time. So medyo may motivational factor coming in today's game.
Coach, so he's supposed to play kung wala napag-usapan na maglalaro ka talaga doon?
Yes, he was supposed to play, pero basta something happened that he had to leave right away. Pero yun nga. Kaya hinabol niya yung flight. I think it was yesterday. Hinabol niya yung flight talaga.
Kung wala si Berto, but si Kevin na sa 13 points, 5 rebounds, 2 steals. Mga expectation mo kay Kevin after last season, medyo kami yung injury, adjustment period.
Yeah, yung pag-uusap naman namin ni Kevin is hindi naman siya minamadali because he just came from his injury nga. So it will take some time, and hindi ko naman siya minamadali. So today, you know, today is yung ganda laro ni Kevin ngayon. Actually, everybody stepped up. Si Baser, si Matt, lahat ng napasok ko ngayon contributed to the best of their ability. So hindi lang isa, hindi lang dalawa, pero lahat, because we have to make up for absence of si Berto nga.
Coach, there was one sequence kasi nung lumayo kayo na parang gusto mo ata ng ISO kay Polly pero gusto niya ng screen pero sabi mo huwag na i-atakihin mo. So, could you talk about yung comparison mo ngayon kay Polly at this conference?
Eh, hindi marunong mag-pick and roll yan, kaya pinayos. Hindi ba? Kaya ganun. Mas gusto ko na siya mag-isolate kaysa mag-pick and roll. Yun lang yung reason. Wala naman din. So, yun ang tiwala ko kay Paul.
Gusto mo, one-on-one.
Kasi pag mag-pick and roll pa siya, di dalawa pa yung magiging tao niya. Ito, isa na lang. Hindi ba? Bakit pag siya magpapadala ng isa, di dalawa na sila nandun? Di, one-on-one na lang.
Wali mo kung maganda ang nilalaro mo ngayon. At least so far, kahit ata sa tune up, sabi, at si Bolly nga sabi niya, X-Factor ka daw for this conference. Ang naman sabi sa comparison na ito, ni Coach sa'yo, even si Berto, ganun din masabi sa'yo na X-Factor ka daw.
Yun nga, yung tiwala mong binigay sa akin ni Coach Jong and lalo na si Weber, every practice sinasabihin niya ako na gawin mo lang yung best mo every nasa loob ka ng court. And yun, tingnan sa yung bola, isipin mo kung ilayap mo ito to and yun yung confident ko sobrang laki. Kaya thankful kami na nakuha namin yung panalo. Nakaka-contribute kami lahat, alas lahat.
Pag si Berto kaya na ba? Meron na bang date?
No, I think next week pa. Yeah. Kasi siyempre, maski maglaro siya doon medyo hindi naman siya sa... I think we should give him some time to siya sa father niya. So we should give him as much time as we can para when he comes back, medyo na siya. Tama na yung mindset niya. Wag lang masyadong matagal.
Congratulations to the NX Warriors. People unite.